Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to go ahead and go over 8 Google Ads case study of the results for the month of May of 2024 for our pressure washing clients, right? Or I should just say exterior cleaning clients, because we do paver sealing, window cleaning, Christmas lights, you know, you name it, we do it. Gutter cleaning, window cleaning, anything that comes with exterior cleaning, we do. And so I'm going to show you 8 campaigns, and these campaigns are going to comprise of people in Florida, Delaware, Colorado, South Carolina, Georgia, and just various different places so that you guys can see what is, you know, capable of. And the biggest things that we're going to focus on are the total cost, the conversion rate, the conversions, and the cost per conversions. So conversions are going to just be leads, guys. These are going to be how many leads we're getting people. Cost of conversion is going to be like cost per lead. Conversion rate is going to be, you know, how many people clicked, and out of those people that clicked, how many of them became leads. So it's that ratio. So we're going to go over what is a good conversion rate in a Google Ads campaign. Then also, you know, here's a total spend. And so when it comes to Google, if I look at good conversion rate for Google Ads, they say a good conversion rate for Google Ads can vary depending on the industry, but it's generally considered between 5 to 10% for high performing ad accounts. The average conversion rate is 3.75, but the top 25% of companies have a rate of 11.5% or higher. So you guys already know we're blasting past, you know what I mean, what Google and other companies say are really good conversion rate, right? And so let's get started. So this is a client that we have in Delaware, right? They went ahead and got 60 leads, right, at $56 a piece, and they spent $3,300. We've been running this guy's campaign for about 3 years now, and so we've really been able to dial in what we're able to do for him. So yeah, 60 leads. If you look at the average ticket for him, it's about $400. So if you do the math on that, that's about $12,000 he could have made if he just closed at least half of his leads in that sense, and that would be like a 4 to 5x. But I know how much he got in return for this, but I wouldn't want to disclose it right now. But yeah, he did do a lot of, you know, out of these 60 leads, he definitely made more back than $3,300, right? Now we also have this client. This client is actually in like the Missouri area, right? And so they're killing it too when it comes to their campaign. So for their pressure washing stuff, they spent $2,000. You know, they got 37 leads. They're paying about $54 a lead on that sense. And you know, the roof cleaning, since they're in Missouri, it's not like water bound, so they don't get a lot of algae on the roofs like that a lot. And you know, when it comes to the Google Ads campaigns, you know, they spent $182. They got 2 leads for that. If they at least closed one, they'd be good to go, right? But overall, $56 per lead, 39 leads, $2,200. You know what I mean? We just started working with them in February, and you know, we're very happy with the kind of results that we're getting for them now. They've consistently kind of been, you know, since March, they've consistently been around 40 leads every single month. Yeah, this client is a client that is in the Carolinas, right? And you know, he's doing very good in his campaign. We've been working with them since like the fall of last year. And, you know, like I said, $45 per lead. They got 22 leads. They spent $1,000, and they, you know, a third of the people that are clicking on their actual ad are turning into leads, right? Which we count leads as phone calls and form submissions. And so they're doing really good in their campaign when it comes to that, you know? So $45, we can definitely get along with that, and they're still continue a good campaign. This is another client of ours who's actually in the Florida area. And so as you can see, $9 a click, $44, 22% conversion rate, 18 leads, and you spent $795 for 18 leads. And these are high quality leads. And guys, the longer that you run these ad campaigns, the more that we can optimize them, right? The first 3 months can kind of be rocky sometimes, you know what I mean? But once you go ahead and, well, I wouldn't even say rocky, because some clients, we just hit it right out the park, you know, from a lot of our clients. But sometimes it takes about a good 3-month time period to go ahead and really dial in these type of numbers, you know, once you get all of that data in a campaign. And so we've been working with him for, you know, over 3 years, and just continuing just to dial down his campaign, dial down his cost per lead and his cost per click, right? Then we have another one of our clients that's in the Maryland area, right? And, you know, even when it comes to this, he's still doing really good on his campaign. A little bit expensive out there sometimes, but still, he got 39 leads at $69 a pop, right? And then his, you know, roof cleaning, he spent $539, got 5 leads. we definitely want to go ahead and bring this down. He did do better, you know, last month when it came to his roof cleaning campaign. But, you know, like I said, it can be seasonal sometimes when it comes to these different campaigns. And so that's why you have to have a company that's looking out for these numbers and optimizing them, right? We're not perfect, but overall he got 43 leads, you know, 20% conversion rate, $74 a pop. Like I said, this client's average tickets is $500 to $600, so I definitely know he made his money back. We're also running local service ads for him where that's getting another 40 leads. So, you know, as you can see, or nationally not another 40, but during this time period, 112 leads between his local service ads and his actual Google ads, you know, so that's $4,600. He got 112 leads, $41 a pop. You know, we manage his local service ads and we also manage his Google ads, and we were able to get 112 leads, guys. You know, get $41 a pop for $4,600, right? But these are 112 leads. Trust me, guys. You know, he definitely had a, you know, five-figure return on this. I'm not talking about 10, 15K, guys. You know what I mean? You know, so we have another client that's in Georgia. You know what I mean? They have a modest budget. As you can see, though, they you know, their average cost per lead is $53, right? 22 leads, and they're converting at 25%. So out of 87 clicks, 22 people became leads, which is just a phone call or form submission. And, you know, like I said, they're paying $53. Modest. You know, we've been working with them since about the February, March time frame, so we've been getting consistent results. I tell this client, you know, we can raise the budget up and you can see twice as many, you know what I mean, leads. This client is a client that's in Colorado, right? Still modest numbers. He's in a big city in Colorado. 1,600 he spent. He got 24 leads at about $70 a piece in that sense, right? So we go ahead and we look at that. You know what I mean? We can go ahead and deal with these kind of numbers. 21% conversion rate, right? Spent $1,600. His average ticket's like $800. So, you know, we really kill it for him on the SEO end, but Google Ads is a nice supplement for that. So, you know, we don't spend too much on there. We spend about $75 a day. But yeah, you know, this is something that we go ahead and do, right? And then we have another client. This is a client that we literally just started a campaign for. You know, we literally started their campaign. I want to say it's been 3 weeks, right? So they're in the Carolinas as well, and they get $68 per lead, 18 leads, $1,200 been spent, 23% conversion rate. I'll probably go ahead and see what we can do to optimize this window cleaning campaign. We got 12 clicks and only 1 lead on it, so it may not be in season, and we kind of see that sometimes. But hey, I mean, in the summertime, these things pick up when it comes to window cleaning and all of that. So, you know, whether we have to address a landing page or they have to address some of the search terms, we'll go ahead and do that. But overall, still $72, $1,300, 19 leads, and we literally have been 3 weeks into this campaign. So I know that we'll be able to get much better numbers, you know, going forward in that sense once we get time to optimize. But if you guys need help with your guys' Google ads, you know, and getting these type of results for your guys' business, please go ahead and let me know. We do this for over 50 exterior cleaning businesses. Definitely go ahead and help you out with their Google ads, get you more leads, so that you guys are killing it and crushing it. You know, despite what some people say that we might be in a recession, our clients are still killing it over this way. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, thoughts, or comments, please go ahead and let me know. And if you want a free strategy session, please go in the description below and schedule a session with me, and we'll be able to go ahead and talk about how we can potentially help you and if you would be a good fit. But thank you guys for watching the video, and I shall see you in the next one.